7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at the general crypto market, bulls versus bears. It looks as if the bears have been winning of late. Bitcoin is still hanging to that $29,000 region. Guys, we're looking at the Bitcoin price chart. We're looking at it with a small twist to it. We'll be inverting the Bitcoin price chart. There's still extreme fear in the market. We'll be talking about that. And Ethereum, guys. Ethereum is still holding up. A lot of people are expecting new all-time highs for that. We'll be talking about Ethereum. Should we be getting more? We'll be looking at Bitcoin news. Looks like Bitcoin is decoupling from the stock market. We'll be talking about that. Tesla is going to be accepting Do Kwon. That's good for crypto. Terra looks like they have relaunched their network 2.0. We'll be talking about that and how it affects the whole crypto market. Are we going to get all season? Is all season going to still happen? We're talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. So guys, we have a green day in the markets today. Half of the coins are green, half of the coins are still red. If we go on the weekly, a lot of the coins are still down. On the last week, we have been dumping in the crypto market. At this point in time, since when Bitcoin set its all-time high in November 2021, since then the direction of the market has been downwards. Yes, we have been having a little pump, a little pump here and there, but towards the general direction of the market has been downward. A lot of these tokens have actually been losing their value. You can see that when I put it on the monthly chart, just in the last 1 month, a lot of them are down 60, 70, some are down as much as 72%. Look at ApeCoin, 72%, GMT 69%. So it looks as if at this point in time, guys, the bears are actually winning. It looks as if we're in the bear market, and we're in the bear market. What are we going to do? It looks as if that's the time for accumulation, but should we start buying all these altcoins just yet? I don't think so. Guys, we're in the bear market. Bitcoin is actually, if Bitcoin is going to be dumping, you expect the rest of the altcoins to actually dump. And I'll be showing you on the Bitcoin dominance chart why you don't actually want to actually be getting any altcoin right now. The Bitcoin dominance chart is the Bitcoin dominance chart is just at a crucial point in time. We'll be talking about that very soon. But guys, Bitcoin is still stuck at this $29,000 region. At some point in time, it will have to give to the downside, and to do that very violently, or it will have to do that to the upside. So it's either we're going to see a massive pump out of here that will take us probably to this level, get people bullish again before finally continue going down, or we might just break down from here and straight to 20k or something, to the previous all-time high, just like we did in 2018. Nobody can really tell right now. We're waiting for Bitcoin to make their decision. Or are we in this point in time? We're in this point in time in July 2021, when Bitcoin was just looking as if it's going to set a new low, and then boom, Bitcoin reversed on everybody. Is that what happened? And most times in these situations, you expect Bitcoin to still have a 702 retracement. From where we are right now for Bitcoin, if we have a 702 retracement, and that will take Bitcoin around that $56,000 region. Do you think Bitcoin can get $56,000? Guys, I think it can do that. From the bottom of this crash, Bitcoin getting to 56,000 will carry Bitcoin up over 126%. The macro conditions right now is not favorable for a Bitcoin pump. And if we invert the Bitcoin price chart, guys, if we invert the Bitcoin price chart, carry the Bitcoin price chart upside down. So when you see the price was pumping right here on this chart, the price is dumping. And you could see that it looks as if Bitcoin is about to break out. And if Bitcoin is breaking out on the inverse scale, it means Bitcoin is dumping on the normal scale. And you can see that on the inverse scale, the next support or the next resistance for Bitcoin, because it's the inverse chart, if I flip it back, you'll be seeing that it will be the next support for Bitcoin. But since we have flipped the Bitcoin chart upside down, you can see this Bitcoin's previous all-time high, 69,000. This was when it got 64,000. And this is how most times these assets are bottoming out. So if we're looking at Bitcoin, this is how this will top. Now it looks as if Bitcoin wants to come here, because if you're a bear right now, you're looking at the Bitcoin chart upside down, and you'll be anticipating that Bitcoin is going to dump, and if Bitcoin is going to dump from where we are right now to this region, that's around a 30, almost 31% dump. And you know that, guys, it's very, very possible for Bitcoin to do that in the space of less than 2 days. This dump we had from March 31st, 2022 till May 12, that was a 45% dump in just 42 days. So Bitcoin can actually unravel and bottom out. And in the past, most times when Bitcoin has bottom out, let me just flip it right back. You can see that there's always been, and this time in 2018, there was a violent, almost 50% crash before the bottom was actually in. There was a violent, almost 51% crash before the bottom was actually in. You can even see even the COVID sellout. So what happened? Before the bottom was in, there was a violent crash, and that one was 62%. So is this that violent crash we just had in this region? Is that the violent crash we just had from 48,000 down to 26,000? Is that the violent crash? Is the bottom of Bitcoin in? Because if you go back in time for Bitcoin, you see that on the bottom in 2015, 2016, it had a violent bottom crash too. Boom, that was a 67% pump, and you can see that one, it was not any double bottom, it just found its way and pumped back up, and that was the bottom of Bitcoin. We don't know if that's what Bitcoin is doing right now. And guys, the market is still in extreme fear, and the fear and greed index is showing 14. We've been in extreme fear for a long period of time, and you know that after extreme fear means extreme greed, but you don't know how long the extreme fear will stay. They say the market can remain irrational as more than you can remain solvent. So if you think you can continue buying the dip, guys, the market can actually keep dipping till you be tired of buying the dip. And if we're looking at Ethereum, guys, Ethereum is holding a very, very crucial support. Look at Ethereum, that now is below 1,800, currently at 1,700, and looks like Ethereum is just going to just come back to 1,400. It's just looking like it's a matter of time for Ethereum. And guys, if Ethereum is getting back to 1,400, I don't think 1,400 might hold for Ethereum. The previous bear market, Ethereum dropped over 94%. It might not drop 94% in this bear market right now. It might probably drop around this 86, probably 82%. But guys, I think we're going to see a sub $1,000 Ethereum. It looks as if the bears are winning on the Ethereum side of this equation. If you actually look at that, because if you flip the Ethereum chart, it looks as if Ethereum is at a huge resistance, and if it breaks here, the only thing that might probably stop is the previous all-time high, which is at 1,400. After that, Ethereum is coming to around 850, and there's a high likelihood that 850 might probably be it, because the 850 for Ethereum to get to 850 from where we are right now, that's almost a 50% dump from where we are right now. For Ethereum to actually get to 850 from 1,700 to get to 850, you see that's around 53% dump, which is very actually possible for Ethereum. Guys, Bitcoin price action decouples from stock market, but not in a good way. So the gist is that Bitcoin is actually correlated to the stock market, but it looks as if the stock market has bounced, but Bitcoin is deep in the trenches. Is this the decoupling that people have been talking about? Because when people are talking about decoupling, people are talking about how when Bitcoin price action decouples from the stock market, we can go on the bull run without the stock market being a bull run. But history has showed that anytime the stock market is booming, Bitcoin is booming. If we're tanking, that means the stock market is tanking too. If the stock market is tanking, Bitcoin is tanking. SpaceX to follow Tesla in accepting DOGE payments for March. Elon Musk is actually pushing his Dogecoin narrative, and there's even news of Elon Musk timing the top of the market and the bottom. People are talking about how he actually posted a meme on the day the market topped, and the person was facing backwards. Now he posted the meme of the person facing forward, and it looks as if the market is bottoming. We'll see how that will play out in the future. Terra actually launched their network 2.0 according to Do Kwon's plan, and looks like Terra 2.0 is live. It's actually trading on a lot of exchanges right now. I still don't think that, guys, will just get out of this bear market, because right now, from all indications, it looks as if we are deep in the bear market. This altcoin season index is showing us that we're in Bitcoin season, and guys, Bitcoin season means Bitcoin is actually outperforming the market. So Bitcoin only outperforming the market if Bitcoin is pumping faster than the market, or Bitcoin is pumping, the market is not pumping, or Bitcoin is dumping and the market is dumping harder than Bitcoin. Those are the only three conditions why we should be in Bitcoin season. And we're in Bitcoin season, and the condition that is met is that Bitcoin is actually dumping. So you want to be careful with all coins right now. It looks as if the bears are taking control. Guys, Bitcoin dominance at the crucial point, and we want to see Bitcoin dominance hold this 49% region, because if not, the next level of Bitcoin dominance around 52%, and anything that will make Bitcoin dominance in the market to be 52% and Bitcoin is not pumping, because Bitcoin dominance to actually increase in the market, the things that have to occur means is either Bitcoin is actually pumping harder than the market, or Bitcoin is pumping and the market is not pumping, or the market is dumping and Bitcoin is not dumping as hard as the market. And we can see that Bitcoin dominance is about to increase. So if Bitcoin dominance is increasing, we have to pray that the conditions that we met will be Bitcoin is pumping, maybe the market is stagnant, or the market is pumping, but Bitcoin is pumping faster than the market. But at this point in time, it looks as if all coins are actually very risky. And the dollar has turned on itself. That's what we wanted to see, but you can see that even when it turns on itself, the market will just not start going crazy. To take a little while. It's the way it didn't pump in a straight line, it won't dump in a straight line, but that's a good sign to see the dollar turn on itself. Only time will tell whether it will continue setting new highs or this is just a fake out. The total crypto market caps at the crucial support 1.19 trillion. We want to see this position hold, guys. If this level doesn't hold, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all your favorite cryptocurrencies are in for a ride, because guys, we might probably go to the previous all-time high for the total crypto market cap, which is around 760 billion dollars, and that will be a 100% dump in the total crypto market. That will be around a 36% dump. And if we go to Bitcoin, currently the price of Bitcoin, a 36% dump. Where we carry us for Bitcoin, a 36% drop from where we are right now. We carry Bitcoin from 29,000 on 36% is carrying us around, bro, below the all-time high, around 18k, and that will actually align very, very well. That will make the stars align. I'm not saying that will happen tomorrow. I'm just saying that's the outlook of things right now. It looks as if the bears are still in control, guys. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about the market? Are we still in the bear market? And total crypto market cap is still unchanged. We still have the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum still at number 1 and 2. Number 3 and number 4, we have the stable coins. Number 5 and number 6, we have BNB and XRP. Number 7 is BUSD. Number 8 is ADA. Number 9 Solana. And number 10 is Dogecoin. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think this bear market is over? Is the bottom of Bitcoin? I want to hear your thoughts about that. Right now, I think the bears are still in control. We still have maybe some months to go in the bear market. Only time will tell. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1, 2.